Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 6 Test and Measurement in Sports Part 3 Rickley and Jones Senior Citizen Fitness Test. This test is known as Fullerton Functional Test of Senior Citizens. Rickley and Jones developed the Senior Citizen Fitness Test in 2001. This test has proved to be beneficial for senior citizens. It helps the early identification of at-risk participants. Along with this, it is significant to plan safe and effective physical exercise programs for senior citizens because individual health and fitness level can be known better with the help of this test. First one is chair stand test. Purpose: the purpose of this test used to measure the lower body strength, particularly the strength of legs, which is usually required for various tasks such as climbing stairs, getting in and out of vehicles, bathtub, or chair. Equipment: a chair with straight back and seat of at least 44 cm and one stopwatch. Instructions of participants. First one is the participant should sit in the middle of the chair. Second, he should keep his hands on the opposite shoulder crossed at the wrist. Third, repeat standing up and sitting down for 30 seconds. Procedure of chair stand test. The participant sits in the middle of the seat. His feet should be shoulder wide apart and flat on the floor. The arms should be crossed at the wrist and held close to the chest. From the sitting position, the participant should stand up completely and then sit down completely at the start of the signal. This is repeated for 30 seconds. Scoring: the score is the total number of completed chair stands during the given 30 seconds. Second, arm curl test. This test is measure the upper body strength. Purpose: the test of upper body strength and endurance. Equipment: 8-pound weight for men and 5-pound weight for women. A chair without armrest and stopwatch. Procedure: first one is test assistant will tell to begin and will time for 30 seconds using the stopwatch or a watch with the second hand. Number 2, do not swing the weight. Third, the arm should be completely bent and then completely strengthened at the elbow. Number 4, if started raising the weight again and over halfway up, when time is over, count the curl. Scoring: the score is the total number of controlled arm curls performed in 30 seconds. Next, chair sit and reach test. Purpose: this test measures lower body flexibility. Equipment required: ruler, straight back of folding chair about 44 cm high. Procedure: first one is, this subject sit on the edge chair. One foot should remain flat on the floor while the other leg should be extended forward with the knee in straight position. Second, heel on the floor and ankle bent at 90 degree. Third, keep the back straight and head up. Avoid bouncing for quick movements and never stress to the point of pain. Keep the knees straight and hold the reach for 2 seconds. Fourth, the distance is measured between the tip of the fingertips and the toes. Scoring: the score is recorded to the nearest half inch or 1 centimeter distance reached, either a negative or positive score. Okay, thanks.